Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course do your you need to practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Like I said earlier on, we will be checking out some of these assets. Here are the assets, and everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I'll be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the trading analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something big. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. It's been on uptrend for a while. Okay, I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator. So like I said earlier on, it's been on uptrend for a while, even though there are major pullbacks in between. But after getting to this resistance zone, it came down. It started the downtrend right from here. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, and it started selling till it got to this support zone. Right now it's trying to pull back, and of course it will try it out again. If it's able to break out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will go back on buy trend. Okay, you should take note of that. So this is selling at the moment. This might not be for long. In case it's unable to break out below the support zone, then definitely it will start buying right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. The boom 500 started the downtrend right from here, and it came to an end at the support zone. So it started an uptrend right from there. You can see the yellow flag, and it has been buying since then. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out right away. This is crash 1000. This had been an uptrend right from the support zone. It's been more of an uptrend than a downtrend. It has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, and of course it's most likely for it to go back into a downtrend if it's unable to break out above it. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It started an uptrend right from the support zone, but till it got to this region, range around there for a while before breaking out above it to get to a new resistance zone, and this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity, except if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. So the last asset is going to be volatility 75. Okay guys, this is volatility 75. It has been on downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see the red flag and the red arrows, so it has been selling since then and it's still selling. If it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. If it does not, it will go back on a buy trend. So for now this is still selling, and of course if it's unable to break out below the support zone, then it will go back on buy trend. So we should take note of that. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect a trading skill, can you go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.